Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find duplicate files even if they have different names. So let's get started. So first open a new web browser and search for the software name as Deep Guru for Windows. Now click on this website link. Once you are in this website, click on the Windows to download the software for Windows. This software is also available for Ubuntu as well as macOS. So first download the software and install it. After you have successfully installed this software, run the software. Once you open this software for the first time, the application interface will be like this. Now on the top of the interface you will see option to select application mode. By default it is selected as standard, so leave it as it is. And under scan type, if you click on the drop down list, you will see three options: file name, content and folder. Now to find the duplicate files even if their name has been renamed or you have changed it to completely different names, you have to select this option. Now on the below you will have option to add your folder by clicking on the plus icon. Here you have to select folder or enter drive, or you can select multiple folders to scan for duplicate files. Now for this demo I have already created a folder in my desktop. Here you can see files with different formats, and also I have copied or made duplicate of all these same files, and also I have changed or renamed its duplicate file. So here you can see the same file or same image, but their file name are completely different. Now let's get back to our software and select this folder. Select folder, and to scan the files, on the right corner we have option to scan. Just click on the scan. It instantly show the result. Now let's see, or before you remove any duplicate files, make sure whether the file are exactly same or it's different. First review the files. Let's see it by let's double click the file to see if it is same file or different files. So here you can see the files are exactly the same, but their file names are completely different. Now to select duplicate files, click on this checkbox, or to select all duplicate files all at once, go to mark and click on mark all to select all the duplicate files. Now to delete, go to action and click here send mark to recycle bin, and here you will see a dialog box that have two options. One, link delete files. This will create a shortcut links for duplicate files after deleted the files inside the folder. And second one, directly delete files. This will, by selecting this option, the files will not move to recycle bin. It will directly delete it from the folder without sending it to recycle bin. Now for this video demo, I'll select or click just proceed to delete all files. Now all marked files were successfully sent to trash. Now let's see again in my folder. So here you can see we have successfully scanned and find the duplicate files on this folder and also deleted all the duplicate files. So this application is very useful if you have copied multiple files over the years. You probably have duplicate photos, videos, PDFs or documents taking up valuable storage. The problem is that many of these files have been renamed, so Windows can't easily identify them as duplicate. So by using this software, we can easily scan and find duplicate files even if their name has been completely changed. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical Windows and Android tips. Thanks for watching.